mean, who's out here on the river gonna see me? I don't care. Is it loose?
Yeah, don't back it off. I'm gonna back you up a little more. Big bluegill.
We'll get that one anyway. I was hoping that was going to be what I was after, but stop, doesn't he? Oh, well, he swam when I cast. He swam off. Cast yours over there, Will. I just cast on him. Let's see how the sun goes now, buddy.
Did you get that on Temu?
I think so.
That's got to be like the most ridiculous thing.
I don't care. It keeps the sun off. You talk about ridiculous, your face looks like somebody. You got a big pilot in your ear.
Sure I do.
Like you tried to turn your head to get away from it and you went right in your ear.
Don't take much on you if you do.
Nope. It's a lot cooler than that other hat, and it's shading my legs.
I mean, it does work, I guess. Get it here with a clear one.
I mean, who's out here on the river gonna see me? I don't care. Looks like another gator in the water down there too.
Where?
Right to the right of the bird that's coming across to the left.
Oh yeah, yeah it is. That's probably the same gator.
Nah, that one's smaller.
It's probably the same one. He's probably trying to get away from us.
I'm telling you, that one's smaller than the one I seen.
That bird's keeping an eye on him. That gator will eat him.
In my phone, I can tell you. It is. I can zoom in.
You still there?
Yeah.
You see anything?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. There it is.
Yep, it's a gator.
Yeah. That's a heck of a zoom on that camera, ain't it? I still see his head up there.
Mm-hmm.
It don't have nothing to do with us, does it? Tell you, I got to figure out what I'm going to throw at these fish to get them to bite. See if you breaking. Yeah, this thing's a lot longer than I thought it was. It goes a lot further. I was thinking we were close to the end of it, and I think what it was, my own X just wasn't loaded fully, you know. Hey, there's another one right there, Donnie. To the right. See him?
Mm-hmm.
Zoom up on him and take a picture. I think what I want to do, change up the bait I'm throwing here. I'll try this black one for a few minutes and see if it does any better. If it don't, I think I'm gonna go with something a little more extreme. Let me crank this motor. I'm charging something over here. I want to make sure I ain't killing my battery. Let's see what I got this thing. Let me know if I get too close to anything. Oh, there we go.
Well, you catch some or what?
It's slow, man. I mean, we've caught a couple. what we're going under. We way up Shoulder Creek.
Y'all way out there on the road.
Yeah.
Well, y'all get on back fishing. I'll talk to you later on.
All right, buddy.
All right, later.
Later. Yeah, the main part of the creek goes the other way. It don't go much farther though, just a few hundred yards. We got to be right behind Mr. place. Might have to turn around here too. Come on, man, just get one jack. Oh. Got him. Big old bluegill. Nice. Show the camera. Oh, the camera can't see past your hat. Bridge piling right there. Old bridge piling right there. Oh, you didn't get skunked. Get him?
Yeah, I killed like 10 of them.
Fish just broke right there. Oh, we got hit right there. And right there by the boat. Must not be big enough to get it in their mouths. One tree in the right spot.
Well, you know what? I got it.
Right. Not lucky there. Hear that?
Yeah, it's right back there at the tree.
Yeah, well, there was two that broke over here like that a while ago.
Right there on the right hand side. Yeah, I mean, it's just a short little walk through the woods right there. And they had, where it had been surveyed, it was kind of cleared out right through there. So he just walked down the survey line. Oh, there we go, Daddy. Sure. Oh, you got off.
Blackfish. That was a nice one.
Yeah, it was. God darn, I reckon.
Try it again.
Oh, he ain't gonna bite twice.
Might have a buddy.
casting up in here.
I mean, honestly, I don't know that there's any point. We've been casting all freaking day. Honestly, I think that best chance we had to get into more than one of anything would have been them jacks if we'd had the right bait. They don't seem to mind shallow or stagnant water. I mean, not super stagnant, but you know how that water wasn't real moving a whole lot. That's how it always was behind this place. No, but it's starting to look like it's time to head to the boat ramp. Mama wanting me to go eat dinner with her too, and hey, dang sure ain't nothing going on out here.
Oh, let's go.
I don't think it's any, they just ain't biting with enough regularity to make it worth the trouble. Oh me.
So I got another drink in that cooler there.
There was 2 of them in there I put in there. Yep.
Thank you.
All right, that's it for Shoulder Creek. We kind of struck out today. I was after some jacks or chain pickerels, but I didn't bring the right bait. I found that out after I phoned a friend and found out what a friend of ours was catching them on years ago when his granddad had a hunting camp on this creek, way up this creek at the beginning of it, the headwaters, I guess you'd call it actually. So, I guess any day fishing is a good day. Today's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I'll be seeing my boys next weekend. They both had to work this weekend, so that's going to do it for this trip. And I know there's not a lot of action on it, but there's a lot of cool scenery. We went as far up and down this creek as we could, and I've never done that, so next time I'll come prepared. I'm going to get on Amazon tomorrow and order what I was told I need, and we'll be back. At any rate, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.